keep a distance.
I'm good here, ma'am.
I'm not gonna tell you again.
My safety is not your concern. Okay. So I'm just good. Can I have your name and badge number? Can I get that name and badge number now?
You know they don't have to identify themselves.
It's in your policy, isn't it? Pendeja. Oh, that's on camera, bro. I'm gonna put a complaint on you.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story features Rights and Lefts, who in February of 2022 was observing the El Paso Police Department on a call for service in the intersection of Newman and Magaffin. The area is known for its high crime rate. Rights and Lefts observed a cruiser in the intersection, unmanned and running with the window rolled down.
Left the car running in the hood.
The officers were nowhere in sight. It's important to note that leaving a cruiser running is common practice. Because of the computers, radios, and other equipment, patrol cars often have to stay idling on calls for service to prevent the battery from dying. The problem is the open window. Anyone can hop in and steal radios, with special operations frequencies not available to the public, computers with sensitive information, weapons, and perhaps the vehicle itself. The duplex that the vehicle is parked in front of is currently off the market and does not contain residents. The doors and windows are boarded up, and squatters often use the property to escape the cold. After a few minutes observing the patrol car, Rights and Lefts found the officers removing trespassers from the property. More officers arrive on scene, and after almost 8 minutes of recording, one of them suddenly wants Rights and Lefts to move.
Sir, did you need something?
No, ma'am, just recording.
So keep a distance or else you're gonna be interfering, okay?
No.
So you need to keep a distance.
I'm good here, ma'am.
I'm not gonna tell you again.
I'm good here. Put up some tape if you want.
Okay, I will, if that's what I need to.
I'm not here for no ill intent,
I'm not gonna tell
no
you
nefarious intents. I'm just good here.
I'm sorry?
I'm good here. This is public sidewalk.
Okay, but you need to keep a distance or else you're gonna be interfering. I'm just letting you know now.
What's the distance?
Okay, so if we need to move them over here to the car?
I'll gladly move.
Okay, I'm just letting you know
My safety
now.
is not your concern. So I'm just good. Can I have your name and badge number? Thank you.
The officer uses more words to tell him that she is going to identify to him than it would have to identify, likely because he is filming and won't move far enough away that he would be unable to continue filming. More officers arrive on scene and clear the property. As they return to their vehicles, Rights and Lefts attempts to identify the officer again.
Are you good, brother?
Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate your help, man.
I kind of feel like if I wasn't here, they'd have taken y'all in, bro.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah. You be safe, brother.
Appreciate it, man. What's your name?
My name's Ruben, bro.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, brother, you got it,
Thank
brother.
you, man.
Just
God
take care,
bless
brother.
you.
Ma'am? Can I get that name and badge number now? Cabrones. She don't want to identify now?
She didn't want to identify herself to a member of the public in the first place. They have zero respect for the citizens they serve. This becomes apparent in a moment. One of the men they removed from the building now alleges that they searched him without permission and that he was missing his wallet.
Did they tell you why they were searching you?
Nah. Supposedly we're
Tell her, bro.
trespassing.
Shit. She's the supervisor.
They make sure I have my wallet because I think I might be missing it.
Did you give them your whole wallet? Or just your ID?
They took it. I didn't give them anything.
What's that in your hand? That's not it?
No, it's because I have the other. I have another
Two
one.
wallets? No wallet. No, they don't have it. Check your fine stuff. Just throwing stuff in that box.
Have your name and badge number? Oh, nice. My bad, bro. I thought she just wasn't identified. Appreciate it.
You know they don't have to identify themselves.
It's in your policy, isn't it?
If we're interacting with you, we're not interacting.
If any member of the public talks to you, you have to identify.
The supervisor on scene claims that the officers don't have to identify themselves to anyone unless they've made contact with you. Whether it's in their policy manual or not is unknown at this time, as the department doesn't post it publicly. They asked me to submit an open records request just to review the policies that govern officer conduct. Regardless, if you recall earlier in the video, the female officer did make contact with rights and lefts.
Sir, did you need something?
No, ma'am, just recording.
So keep a distance or else you're gonna be interfering, okay?
She attempted to have him back away from the scene. The reason why it's so important that the officers identify themselves is to hold them accountable when they step out of line, and to verify that they're actually cops. Anyone can order a costume from countless uniform suppliers and pretend that they're issuing lawful orders. This is where the incident reveals how officers feel about the public, and how little respect or professionalism the department's culture demands of its supervising officers.
You know they don't have to identify themselves to me.
It's in your policy, isn't it?
If we're interacting with you, we're not interacting.
If any member of the public talks to you, you have to identify.
We're not speaking to you.
Well, then don't talk to me then.
Nothing to do with it.
Then don't talk to me. You shut up the f***. Is that how you talk? Is that how you talk to f***ing members of the public?
I'll talk to you the way you speak to me.
I didn't say nothing until you brought it up.
Yeah, the F word isn't anything.
You told me to shut up. Esa la verga. Pendeja. You. Oh, that's on camera, bro. Pendeja. You. Oh, that's on camera, bro. I'm gonna put a complaint on you. What's your name? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name?
Just look at the number.
No, I know. I'm just this. She wanna with me. You. Flipping me off. She shot. This is how they are, bro. This is how they fucking are. You.
Never searched me without permission.
And they searched this brother without permission, bro. And she's a supervisor.
And I have mental illness.
And he's got mental illness, man. Out of here, you stupid. Damn, bro. This is why I do what I do, bro. That's why I do what I do, bro. I don't do it to with people, dog. I do it for these fuckers, dog.
Law enforcement officers across the nation are actively creating a negative image of themselves, all by themselves. No private entity would allow their employees to behave in such a disgusting way towards its customers. The problem is that they see us as the enemy, not as the people they serve. A camera and asking for names is an act of aggression in their mind. Anyone that doesn't ask how high when ordered to jump is viewed as an opponent.
But you see how they acted, bro? On camera. Imagine if I'm not here.
No, she asked me, can I search you? And I told her, do you have, I told her, did I do something wrong? Do you have the right to? And then that guy got all pissed off and he put the handcuffs on me immediately.
Yeah, they're not supposed to do that.
Once I questioned his
authority.
He had the right, yeah, he got pissed off and threw me on handcuffs.
Damn, brother. Yeah, that's how they be here, bro.
And if I would have fought it, they would have used that as an excuse. So I just went along with it, man.
Complaints have been filed. If you'd like more information or updates on this encounter, be sure to check out Rights and Left's channel. His link is down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.